Hey everyone, your name here. Are you tired of your website getting lost in the vast sea of Google search results? You know, the feeling of putting in all that work, creating amazing content, but still struggling to get those top rankings? It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a way to supercharge your SEO efforts and skyrocket your website to the top? And the best part? You can do it in minutes using the power of AI. That's right, folks. AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's now, and it's changing the SEO game as we know it. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how to leverage cutting-edge AI tools to transform your SEO strategy. We're talking about uncovering hidden keyword gems, crafting killer blog content that ranks, and even giving your website a complete SEO audit, all with the help of AI. No more spending hours on tedious tasks. AI is here to do the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, growing your business. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to AI-powered SEO and watch your rankings soar? Then buckle up and let's dive right in. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of any successful SEO strategy: keyword research. Now you might be thinking, Neil, keyword research, that's so old school, and you're right, it is. But guess what? AI is giving keyword research a serious makeover, transforming it from a time-consuming chore into a lightning-fast process that uncovers golden opportunities in seconds. Think of AI as your personal keyword research assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to analyze massive amounts of data and deliver you the insights you need to succeed. No more manually sifting through spreadsheets or relying on gut feelings. AI takes the guesswork out of keyword research and provides you with data-driven results. So how does it work? Well, there are some amazing AI-powered SEO tools out there like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Keyword Insights, just to name a few. These tools use the power of machine learning to analyze search trends, identify relevant keywords, and even estimate their competitiveness. It's like having an entire team of SEO experts at your fingertips. Let me show you an example. Let's say you have a website about healthy eating, and you want to create content around meal prep. You'd simply head over to one of these AI tools, type in healthy meal prep, and boom, the AI goes to work. In seconds, you'll be presented with a treasure trove of keyword ideas, complete with search volume, competition scores, and even related long-tail keywords. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals exactly what people are searching for. You'll see long-tail keywords like meal prep for beginners, or healthy lunch ideas for work. These are super specific, lower competition keywords that are more likely to attract qualified traffic to your site. And the best part? AI doesn't just stop at providing you with a list of keywords. It also gives you valuable insights into their search intent. This means understanding what users are actually looking for when they type in a specific keyword. Are they looking for information, products, or something else entirely? AI helps you decipher this, allowing you to create content that truly resonates with your target audience. But here's the thing, folks, finding the right keywords is just the first step. You need to choose keywords that are relevant to your website and have a good balance of search volume and competition. Don't go after those super competitive keywords right out of the gate. Focus on those hidden gems, those long-tail keywords that have less competition but still have the potential to drive targeted traffic to your site. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. By using AI to uncover the right keywords and understand search intent, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. So, embrace the power of AI for your keyword research and watch as your website climbs the Google rankings. Now that we've tackled keyword research, it's time to move on to the next crucial element of SEO content creation. And let's face it, writing high-quality, SEO-friendly blog posts can feel like a daunting task. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline the entire process and create amazing content that ranks, all with the help of AI? That's right, folks, AI isn't just changing the game for keyword research. It's also revolutionizing the way we write blog posts. AI-powered writing tools are like having a virtual writing assistant by your side, helping you brainstorm ideas, craft compelling content, and even optimize it for search engines. It's like having a secret weapon in your content marketing arsenal. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai are leading the charge in the AI writing revolution. These platforms use natural language processing and machine learning to generate human-quality content in a matter of minutes. And trust me, the results are impressive. Let me give you an example. Remember those long-tail keywords we uncovered earlier, like meal prep tips for beginners? Well, let's say you want to write a blog post targeting that specific keyword. You'd simply head over to one of these AI writing tools, input the keyword, and watch the magic happen. The AI will analyze the keyword and generate a comprehensive blog post outline, complete with headings, subheadings, and even bullet points. It's like having a content roadmap laid out for you, saving you hours of brainstorming and outlining. But it gets even better. Once you have the outline, you can ask the AI to expand on specific sections, providing you with even more detailed content. You can even ask the AI to incorporate your target keywords naturally throughout the text, ensuring that your blog post is fully optimized for search engines. And if you're worried about sounding robotic or lacking your unique voice, fear not. AI writing tools are designed to mimic human writing, and the best part is, you have complete control over the final product. You can edit, refine, and add your personal touch to ensure that your content is engaging, informative, and true to your brand. But wait, there's more. AI writing tools can also help you with some of the more technical aspects of SEO, like crafting compelling meta descriptions, optimizing your headlines, and even generating image alt text. It's like having an all-in-one SEO content creation powerhouse at your disposal. However, a word of caution: while AI writing tools are incredibly powerful, it's important to remember that they're still just tools. Always review and edit the AI-generated content to ensure that it meets your quality standards and aligns with your brand voice. Think of AI as your writing partner, not your replacement. By leveraging the power of AI for your blog writing, you can save time, boost your productivity, and create high-quality content that ranks. So give it a try and see the difference AI can make in your content marketing efforts. Chapter 3. Step 3. How to perform an AI-powered SEO audit. We've covered keyword research and content creation, but the SEO journey doesn't end there. To dominate search rankings, your website needs to be in top shape, and that's where an SEO audit comes in. But we're not talking about tedious manual audits, we're talking about AI-powered SEO audits that deliver insights in minutes. Think of an AI SEO audit as a comprehensive checkup for your website, identifying issues that might be holding you back. It's like having an SEO expert crawl through every part of your website, uncovering problems and providing a clear roadmap for improvement. AI-powered SEO tools analyze massive amounts of data, pinpointing issues that would take humans hours to uncover. These tools examine everything from your website's technical structure to your content and backlink profile. Tools like Surfer SEO, Screaming Frog, and SEMrush's Site Audit feature are leading the AI SEO audit revolution. They use advanced algorithms and machine learning to provide a detailed report card of your website's SEO health. Let's say your website is suffering from slow loading times. An AI-powered SEO audit tool would flag this issue, providing specific recommendations for improvement. It might suggest optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, or switching to a faster web host. These tools go beyond identifying problems. They provide actionable solutions. For instance, if your website has broken links, the AI audit tool will identify them and provide the exact URLs that need fixing. Talk about making your life easier. AI SEO audits excel in analyzing your content, assessing relevance, readability, and overall quality. They ensure your content aligns with target keywords and resonates with your audience. They can even identify content gaps and suggest new topics to cover. AI-powered SEO audit tools analyze your backlink profile, identifying toxic or low-quality links. They can help you find new backlink opportunities, boosting your website's authority. AI-powered SEO audits provide insights and recommendations for data-driven decisions about your website's optimization. By addressing audit issues, you can improve your website's SEO health, boost rankings, and drive more organic traffic. If you're serious about SEO, an AI-powered SEO audit is a must-have. It's like having an SEO expert on call 24/7, ensuring your website is always in its best shape to rank higher and attract more visitors. And that's it. You've just learned how to harness the power of AI to completely transform your SEO strategy. We've covered everything from uncovering hidden keyword gems to crafting killer content that ranks and even giving your website a complete SEO audit, all in just minutes. Now, I know that was a lot of information, but here's the thing. You don't have to do it all at once. Start by implementing one or two of these AI-powered strategies and see the difference it makes in your SEO performance. Remember, even small changes can have a big impact. The future of SEO is here, and it's powered by AI. By embracing these tools and strategies, you're not just keeping up with the curve, you're staying ahead of the game. So go out there, experiment, and watch as your website climbs the Google rankings, leaving your competitors in the dust. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on future SEO tips. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try.